Menoreh Hills Fashion Style by Skansa Collection, SMKN 1 Pengasih. Describe the beauty of traditional fabrics into some modern style dresses. What do you think about traditional fabrics? Do you think traditional fabrics is ancient? Oh no. Do you think traditional fabrics is old? Really? Take a look at the appearance of our Menoreh girls. Is that ancient? Is that old? With the thought of these ancient and old traditional fabrics, Skansa Collection presenting innovative party dresses using traditional fabrics in a modern style decorated with sequins that add luxurious impression to the wearer. We hope that the use of traditional fabrics as party attire is not considered old-fashioned and can become a current trend.